Okay, hi. I have some issue with my 3D printer model Creality under 3 V3. So I switched on my printer and I have selected my file. So now the readings are increasing. See, below reached 60 out of 60. Now this is reached. The nozzle has been heated. So now we can see the progress bar is running very quickly without printing my file. So you can see the file is not printed, but the process ends and it turned to home without printing anything. So I have no other option. Click confirm. So I am trying to leveling. If you see here, I am clicking here. So in the prepare, you can see the Z offset shows 0. I don't know why. So this is where I select my file. You can see these are my files. I selected the first one to print, but it didn't print. You have seen. So I am doing the leveling. So the leveling process has been started. You can see there is some movement. You can see there is some, the red light blinks and it turns to purple and turns to red and purple again. So I have to do some checkings. So let me pause the video and continue once the leveling started, because otherwise the video length will be higher. So okay, I don't pause it. So let me continue. I don't pause the video. So you can see the first progress. Nozzle heating is happening now. Okay, I'm just waiting. So before I do everything, I check all the cables are firmly attached and everything is properly fixed. There is no loose connections. Everything looks good. Now you can see the purple light is appearing. So there is some movement I can see. So if you see, the second stage of nozzle cleaning is happening. It's something, there is some movement. It's going up and down. I think it's checking the plate level. So it came to middle of the bed. And still it's in the second stage of, okay, now it turns to third stage of the progress. Nozzle auto Z offset is happening now. You can see what it happens. It's going up and down came to home position, and again it's going to middle of the bed. I can see the red light is blinking and turning to purple. The process continues, red, purple. Now again it came to home position. I don't think the leveling is also not happening properly. I'm not sure if it is any issue with the board or the cables or something. So I hardly use this printer 4 to 5 times, and today I don't know why. If I click any simple images to print, simple file to print, nothing happening. It didn't work actually. Even the simple file also it's not printing. It's in the same position, keep on going up and down. Now it's again back to center of the bed, and you can see it's still in the third stage. I can see auto Z offset is in progress. So it's keep on going up and down at the same position and getting back to middle of the bed, and again coming back to the same position. The nozzle auto Z offset is in progress. Ideally it should show some readings here where the position is, but it didn't showing up. First time when I assembled it did correctly, but now when I do the leveling the reading is not showing here. In the same position it keeps on getting up and down for a long time. You see almost 9 minutes now, still the leveling is happening, but the leveling reading is not capturing here. I don't know if the leveling is, this is the process of leveling. Now I can see some sound. You can hear the sound. You can hear the some sound. But nothing happening in this module display. Nothing showing up. It's keep on in the same position. still I can hear the same noise. Now it went to middle of the bed. I can see the red light blinks and turning to purple again, red light and purple, and you can see it is completed. There was no readings, and you can see nothing here. In the prepare model I can see Z offset is still showing 0, and here also you can see 0 0. So if you select print, so let me select the file. Here you can see should 0 0 and all. I am selecting the file. I kept it off because otherwise again it will do the calibration. Let me click on it on and confirm, selecting the confirm. So I clicked on the calibration on for this testing purpose and initiated the printing. Now the nozzle came to the center of the bed position. The heating process is happening. You can see 97, it should reach 200, and below it should reach 60. The heat is reducing. Z offset shows 0. Still the printing process has not started. So I have this issue for a long time. I don't know how to sort out. As per my knowledge, what I've done, I checked all the cables properly fixed. Everything is properly fixed as per the instruction manual, and I have checked all the screws here, everything and all properly fixed. These screws and all. I have selected the file to print. It's a simple file. This part is now currently in middle of the position. Yeah, now it's doing something. I think it's do some calibration, I hope. You can see red light. And coming back to the home position, it's going down to the bottom. Bottom left, bottom right. It's not even touching the plate while doing the calibration. So now it came to the home position. Again going back to the middle of the bed. So here there is some node here. It should pop up, but it didn't pop up. So now the heating process has started. You can see this below reading shows 62, above reading now 188, 118 something, yeah. So it should reach 200 and then only print should start. Let's see. So the initially the calibration process was happening, but I don't think that was happened perfectly. I don't think there was any reading here. Now the heating is happening. 170 reached. It should reach 200. It's 177, 80. The nozzle part is in middle of the position. So now 198. Okay, it reaches the heat level measurement. Let's see what's happening. So it reached 201 and you can see the progress bar runs quickly. I can hear some sound but nothing happening. The file is not printing. You can see the process bar runs quickly to 100% without printing the file. You can hear the noise, push noise. So it is showing 90% now and it turned to home position. See, that's it. So this is my issue. So I'm ending the video. So I hope this video is clear to demonstrate my issue on printing the file. I'm switching off now.